Let me do a quick introduction to Bootstrap before we go on to learn how to make use of Bootstrap in designing our website. If you go to the Bootstrap webpage, you will see that Bootstrap claims to be the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript-based framework that is in use today, and specially designed for developing responsive mobile-first websites. Indeed, Bootstrap stands up to its claim as the most popular web UI framework. It supports a number of CSS classes that enable you to design various web components very effectively. It supports consistent typography to be used on your web page for rendering content. It supports many different kinds of web components like buttons, tables, navigation bars, modals, images, carousels, and many other, as well as many JavaScript-enabled components. This enables you to design responsive websites with the mobile-first approach. We will talk more about this in the next lesson. Bootstrap originated around 2011. It was created by these two people from Twitter. Hence, you might often hear people talking about Bootstrap as Twitter Bootstrap. Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton from Twitter designed Bootstrap for their own internal use and then ended up releasing it for the rest of the web development community to use for consistent website design. The current production version of Bootstrap is 4.0. If you had taken my earlier specialization on Coursera, I have dealt with Bootstrap 3.3.7 in the earlier Bootstrap course. Now, it's time to move on to our first exercise, where we will get our hands dirty with Bootstrap.